Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Apple Watch to MyFitnessPal. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your MyFitnessPal app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is tap on the more icon or the three dot icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you're here, scroll down and then tap on apps and devices. Now once you are here, search for Apple Health in the list and then tap on it. And now here all you gotta do is follow the prompts to link MyFitnessPal to the Apple Watch, gain necessary permissions to sync data between the apps, and now next is to verify Apple Watch as your step source. The step source in MyFitnessPal, go to the more, and then here you'll find the option that says steps. All you gotta do is simply tap on add a device and then add your Apple Watch. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.